First, determine the IP address of the computer you have BT-Link installed. This can be done by typing CMD into the search bar or Cortana. This will bring up the command prompt link for you to click on. From here, type ipconfig as you see it on the screen. The IPv4 address is the IP address for this computer. Write this number down for later. There are two methods to connect your BM Pro Series monitor to the BT-Link program: wired and wireless connections. For a wired connection, you will need an Ethernet cable to plug into the Ethernet port on the back of the unit. This cable should be plugged into the router or modem providing your internet signal, not the computer where BT-Link is installed. Once the cable is plugged in, click the network icon on the top of the screen. You may receive a Check Wi-Fi Device message, but you should simply tap OK. In this menu, tap on Set up Network. Ensure that the wireless option is turned off and the DHCP box is checked. Press OK. The icon at the top should turn into the wired network icon, without a line crossing it or an exclamation point. Next, tap the export icon and ensure that BT-Link is turned on, not B-Link. This is also where you will input the IP address of your computer that you wrote down earlier. Once that is done, press OK. For a wireless connection, you will need to ensure that your included wireless dongle is plugged into the USB slot on the back of your machine. Begin by pressing the network icon on the top of the screen. Ensure that DHCP is checked and turn on the wireless setting. Tap AP Search after this, and the monitor will populate with local detected Wi-Fi networks. Choose your network and tap Connect. The monitor will ask you to input the password for your Wi-Fi network. Tap the Enter button once complete. You will know you are connected once there is a check mark over the Wi-Fi icon next to your network. Close out of this menu and tap OK on the next menu. The network icon at the top of the screen will change into a Wi-Fi symbol without a line crossing it or an exclamation point. Next, tap the export icon and ensure that BT-Link is turned on, not B-Link. This is also where you will input the IP address of your computer that you wrote down earlier. Once that is done, press OK. On your desktop computer, double-click the BT-Link icon to start the program. Within 10 to 20 seconds, you should see the information from your patient monitor on the screen. You now have successfully connected BT-Link with your Bionet patient monitor.